Hello all. Today we are going to discuss about a new technological aid which is going to be a trend in the upcoming days, or which is going to be the new normal in the field of education. You might have seen this tool while you were watching some professional videos, lectures, tutorials, or otherwise in some ads at least. There the teacher rather turning back and writing on the blackboard or whiteboard which is on their backside, and again looking at the camera, they do write on your screen or on air, right? Which is the feeling that audience get. They are writing on our screen or on air. So the same way you can also make a tool for the same purpose without spending lots of amount for that. Okay, see here, if I want to discuss about educational technology, I can write educational technology here. You are seeing what I am writing here. So this is happening with the help of a tool that is known as Lightboard. Lightboards, we can use Lightboard. Then the question which may arise here is that whether it will be affordable for the teachers, or is it going to be very expensive? Is it expensive? That is the question which may arise in our minds. And today I will tell you, this is not at all expensive. You can make it. That is the great thing in this. You don't want to buy a Lightboard from any educational technology laboratory or a shop. Rather, you can make your own. You need only few things which probably will be available with you at your home. Otherwise, you can get the necessary thing and finally you can make yours own. Only 350 rupees I spent for making this Lightboard. And the same way you can make your own Lightboard considering your need and your requirement. I'll be giving you an idea how to create the Lightboard without spending much amount. Now the teacher is ready to teach. She is facing the camera and writing on the Lightboard.